In this video, we'll be creating and sending your first Octiv document from your account. First, we'll create the document using a template that's already been built in our account. We'll customize that document by editing the content as needed. We'll then share that document with recipients and track how those recipients are interacting with the document. Finally, we'll close that document using Octiv's e-signature. As a first step, we'll navigate to the dashboard of your account, which you can get to by clicking the Octiv logo in the upper left of your screen. Next, we'll click on the Create button and choose Proposal. From here, we'll select the Sample Proposal template. I'm now landed on a document that was built from a template already set up in my account by my administrator. Now I have the opportunity to customize this document further, whether it's editing using the Octiv web editor or clicking on these variables, which are highlighted and represented in yellow here. Variables are just pieces of data that vary from document to document. On the left side of my screen, I'll flip to Other Pages using the Table of Contents. I see some additional fields that I'll need to fill out, and here we see another variable highlighted in yellow, and I can click to make my selection for industry. I can also see beneath that there are blocks of content with dashed lines around them. Clicking Preview, we see that only the relevant testimonials appear in the document now, and the other testimonials, such as biotech, have hidden based on our industry selection. On my order form page, I have some additional variables to fill out. The next, a date selector on effective date. And finally, the package for the deal I'm working on. Just like on the customer testimonials page, clicking the preview toggle allows me to see only the correct product packages that will show in the document. On my terms and conditions page, I see some more content that will display based on the variables that I've chosen. Now that I'm done customizing my document, I'll go to the Next Steps panel on the right side of my screen and click Publish Now. After publishing, my content will display as I saw it in preview, and I'll be prompted to add people. Here, we'll add in our recipient's name and email. For testing this document, I'll use my own email address. I'll click Submit, Send Email Now, and here we'll add that recipient to an email that Octiv will send on my behalf. I have the opportunity to edit the email before sending. In this case, we'll use the default email template and click Send. Now that my email's been sent out, I'll switch over to my inbox, and I'll take a look at the branded email that was sent to me by Octiv. I'm viewing this as the recipient now, as something that they would receive when being sent a document. We'll open the document in a new incognito window so that I can use them both for this demo. And here, I'm landed on a similar web view of the document, this time viewing it as the recipient. I can click through to the different pages of content using the table of contents on the left side of my screen, and I see that only the relevant content for me, based on the document owner's variable selections, are showing up in my document. Once I'm happy with the document, I'll go on to click Accept, and here I'll be prompted to electronically sign this document using Octiv's e-signature. I can type or draw my name and enter my email address, and we'll click Sign. Once I've signed the document, I'll receive an email notification as the document recipient, and my document owner will also receive a notification. I can always get back to this document or download the signed PDF from my own records. I see that the document status has updated to accepted, and then my signer status has updated to signed. My new action that I can see here is the View Report button. Clicking View Report allows me to see per recipient who viewed the document, and clicking on the Contents tab, how long each recipient viewed each page. I can use this information to see where they spent more time and drive conversation with that prospect, or to see which pages are most effective across my account. This has been an overview of how to create a document using Octiv, customize that document from the starting point that was set up by my administrator, setting variable values and editing some of the text using Octiv's web editor, sharing that document with our recipient using Octiv to deliver it via email, tracking how that recipient interacted with Octiv, and signing that document with Octiv e-signature.